Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's LeadsLeap video, I want to talk to you about a very exciting new tool and feature within the LeadsLeap platform, and that is the Funnel Manager. I'm going to show you exactly how it works, and like it says on here, what can Funnel Manager do? And previously what we had, I want to do a comparison because previously what we had, you can still build these funnels with all the free tools within LeadsLeap. We built this easy cash for ads success guide. It's a training guide, but we turned it into a funnel from one income stream into 6 income streams. And by adding tabs on the page builder, you can link to different affiliate programs, and these will open up into new windows. And that's a great way of using LeadsLeap to build your own funnel. The difference now is we've got a more professional looking tool with this funnel manager. So let's just have a look at the blog post here. I'm on the official LeadsLeap blog post, and we're going to run through today exactly how it works. There's going to be more information coming out, so I'll do some update videos later on. But we'll go through these 3 key points here, excuse me, that are in the blog post. And the first one is what it does, it organizes your pages. So let's say that you want to build a funnel. You can now have a very professional looking funnel where they'll go to an opt-in page, then they'll go into a thank you page, and then they go into a product delivery page. So whatever you're promoting is now nicely in 3 simple steps in a funnel. And number 2 is how to create your marketing funnel. So what you can do, you can design your own marketing funnel yourself. And let's just go back here and show you the 3 steps on this image here. An opt-in page, a thank you page, a download page, or a sales page if you're selling something. And then you can even add more pages. You're not just limited to 3 pages. You can add maybe an upsell, or there's lots of different, the options that you've got here are just endless. Excuse me. The options here are just endless. So rather than it being, like we said before, rather than it being just literally tabs on one page like this, you now go into a very professional page to page system. And organizing your pages is going to be very, very simple. What I also like is the fact that you can share your marketing funnel with a share code. So if you're like us and you're working with teams and you've got students that are coming in and joining you, and you've got students that are maybe they're new online, they're not familiar with building pages, they're not familiar with how to design an opt-in page, on copywriting and copying, and how to do all these. These are new skills that people need to learn. Then what you can do is with a share code, you can just give your share code to your team or your students, and then just by copy and pasting their share code in the back of the LeadsLeap platform, and then a few more clicks, they can have all their funnels duplicated for them. So they can duplicate your entire marketing funnel. So this is great for MLM, for affiliate marketers with teams, or maybe people like myself who have people that contact me and ask me for help. I have sort of some students that come to me for help, and I just give them share codes so they can duplicate my lead capture pages and my funnels. This is really a great system for that. So let's just see, literally to illustrate how it works, it's easier to use as an example. You've got your instructions here. So LeadsLeap are very good with instructions. They teach you step by step what to do. Click here, click there, do this, do that. So really step-by-step instructions. And it's also really important that you've got traffic stats on what you're actually doing with your offers, where you're advertising, who's actually a unique visitor, where you're getting your traffic from. So you've got traffic stats in here as well. So you need to know exactly if your advertising is working, and then if it's not working, you can do a different form of advertising. So LeadsLeap, again, with their tracking system, shows you not just what is working, but also what is not working as well. So this is really an absolutely superb system. What I want to do is just go have a little overview here today. There'll be a link in the description. There's some more important points here on this bullet point list here. LeadsLeap is free to join, and you've got every tool you need to build any business. Now, I want to go inside my back office here and just show you that this feature is available to pro members only. So if you want to join LeadsLeap for free and upgrade, then you can have this functionality. The majority of the features within LeadsLeap you can use totally for free. And this one here that I showed you, this funnel builder, you can use as a free member. You don't need to upgrade to pro to actually get a share code and duplicate a page like this that we have. Or if you want to build your own funnel with tabs like these, then you can do that totally as a free member. Now, LeadsLeap, you are advertising to buyers, so it's a great reason to join and use not just the tools, but use the traffic. I'm a buyer and I advertise, and I'm active within the LeadsLeap platform, so you will be advertising to buyers. If you want to join LeadsLeap and promote it as a traffic source and a tool source, then you can earn residual monthly income as a free member. I think a lot of people don't realize that even though you're free, you can earn monthly residual incomes if any of your referrals actually upgrade. And I'll just show you here that people are joining LeadsLeap. So let's just go on here and show you my referrals. So people need traffic, people need tools, and people need to make money online. So you'll see here I've got 34, it says followers, that's their terminology for referrals, but you'll see here under level 1, which are my direct referrals, I've got 34 direct referrals. And as a pro member, they give you spillover and you get more benefits from that, but I'm not going to go into this video today. So and there's also more benefits from getting direct referrals. If they upgrade to pro, then you will earn your residual commission. So a great reason to promote the tools and the traffic. Join yourself and then start to promote LeadsLeap. I've done other videos on that on my channel anyway. So one-to-one mentoring and full support, I will give you that if you decide you want to join with LeadsLeap through my affiliate link. I use the platform every single day for my online business, so I'm very familiar with how it works. And if you've enjoyed the video today and you've got some value, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. I'd appreciate that, and that will help support me on my YouTube journey. Please click subscribe and the bell icon for my new videos. So I do several new videos every single week. I've currently got over, I think now, about 380 videos on the channel. We talk about the core fundamentals of making money online, which are the tools, the traffic, the training. You need those 3 core fundamentals to be a success online. I've got free and paid options of all of those. I show you proof of what's working for me. We've got some opportunities on here that might be of interest to you. We show you how to build a list. There's some social media, some YouTube channel, building a YouTube channel information as well. I put some of the videos into playlists, and I've got a LeadsLeap reviews playlist. If you want to watch some more LeadsLeap reviews, then what I'll do is I'll pin this playlist to the top comment below this video, and I've done 16 review videos there on all the different functionalities in the back office, and proof videos as well on the LeadsLeap platform itself. If you've got any questions on LeadsLeap at all, then please leave those in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. And thanks very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.